What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about AutoTune EFX Plus. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about AutoTune EFX Plus. This is a very simple version of AutoTune, but you can get a quality AutoTune sound using this thing, man. So I recommend this for all my artists that engineer themselves, all my beginner engineers, shoot, all my intermediate and advanced engineers as well, man. This is a very easy plug-in to dial in your AutoTune sound. So enough talking, let's head over to the computer and get to work. All right, fam. So right now we have AutoTune EFX Plus right here. I get a lot of questions about this, and this is really simple. To get a quality AutoTune sound, you don't really have to mess with a lot. So you have your input type right here. It's basically if you're using an instrument, a bass or instrument, the male's voice is low, alto, which is mid, and then you have soprano, which is a high pitched voice. Then you have your key right here. You have your scale, major, minor, chromatic. Then you're dealing with the retune speed, and some people like the humanize. Definitely leave the mix at 100, and your output, I just keep it at 0 dB. It's a simple plug-in to use to get a quality auto-tune sound, which is made famous by a lot of people, man. So, I mean, not really a lot made famous by T-Pain. Let's put that out there. But a lot of artists use this now. A lot of people use it a bunch of different ways, but some people use it, in my opinion, they put too much auto-tune. But hey, I'm going to show you guys how to dial it in to get a good auto-tune sound and how to use this thing, man. Like I said, this is AutoTune EFX. This is really simple plug-in to use if you just need a quick auto-tune sound. So let me play this vocal without it, and then we'll dial this thing in.
Oh, now you mad at me, so call your brothers, we can fight too. And we got them pipes too. Chopper split your wig off, knock your top off, now you Caillou. When you front or bottom niggas, you don't know,
this
don't
artist
like
kind of has a high voice, so we'll try him out soprano.
Cause I'm from the trenches. I came from the trenches.
But I find a lot of artists that use this. The most popular key is just select B and then B major. Let's see what we can get by doing that.
Came from nothing, then we calling it the.
Now all we would do, like I said, we got the input type soprano, got the key B major. You can go off of the key of the beat, but sometimes that's not accurate, man. A lot of people are rapping, harmonizing, and singing in a different key than the beat. Like I said, B major, B minor, man. That's what majority of the artists that I use this on, that's what I find is pretty much the sweet spot. So like I said, let's dial this retune speed in, and we'll get to it.
Oh, now you mad at me, so call your brothers, we can fight too. And we got them pipes too. Chopper split your wig off, knock your top off, now you Caillou. When you front or bottom niggas,
like
you
I
don't
said, that's
know,
that
don't
auto-tune
like
sound
and when
right
you get
there.
some money, they gon' act like
I
you
dial
was
it back
by
just a
you.
tad.
Cause I'm from the trenches. I came from the trenches. I came from the jungle where that shit gon' get aggressive. I'm from where the fathers don't exist and ain't no lessons. I'm from where
I like to mess with this humanizer too. So let me start this over. This is with the auto-tune playing, and I'm gonna dial in this humanize just to kind of let it sound less robotic. Let's go.
Oh, now you mad at me, so call your brothers, we can fight too. And we got them pipes too. Chopper split your wig off, knock your top off, now you Caillou. When you front or bottom niggas, you don't know, don't like you. And when you get some money, they gon' act like you was by you. Cause I'm from the trenches. I came from the trenches. I came from the jungle where that shit gon' get aggressive. I'm from where the fathers don't exist and ain't no lessons. I'm from where the police got the.
I kind of like that right there, man, with no beat or no other effects. I think that sounds pretty good. Let's play it first. Let's play it without it. Then we'll play it with it to see how it sounds.
Oh, now you mad at me, so call your brothers, we can fight
It's
too.
without.
And we got them pipes too. Chopper split your wig off, knock your top off, now you
That's
Caillou.
with.
When you front of bottom niggas you don't know don't like you. And when you get some money, they gon' act like you was by you. Cause I'm from the trenches. I came from the trenches. I came from
It's
the
without.
jungle where that shit gon' get aggressive. I'm from where the fathers don't exist and ain't no lessons. I'm from where
It's
the
with.
police got the dealers out here stressing. If you came from nothing, then we callin' it the trenches. Eating ramen noodles, then you raised in the trenches. Dirty apartment buildings, that's what we call the.
I like that right there. This artist really don't need too much of an auto tune sound, like an over robotic. I just like just a nice. I actually would dial this back just a tad and then add some reverb and delay on here if I was actually mixing this record. But I think we got a good sounding auto
Oh,
tune right
now
here.
you
Let's play it
mad at me,
again.
so call your brothers, we can fight too. And we got them pipes too. Chopper split your wig off, knock your top off, now you Caillou. When you front of bottom niggas you don't know don't like you. And when you get some money, they gon' act like you was by you. Cause I'm from the trenches.
You can go all the
I
way,
came
like
from
I
the
said.
trenches. I came from the jungle where that shit
Let's
gon'
play
get
with this scale
aggressive.
some.
I'm from where the fathers don't exist and ain't no lessons. I'm from where the police got the dealers out here stressing. If you came from
See that
nothing,
mind
then we
changing that to the
callin' it the
minor scale.
trenches. Eating ramen noodles, then you
Changing this
raised
to
in
the
the.
minor scale really messed this vocal up. So like I said, you could play with this a little bit to see. Like I said, sometimes it may be minor or chromatic, but play with it a little bit just to ensure you're getting that right
Oh,
sound,
now
man.
you mad at me, so call your brothers, we can fight too. And we got them pipes too. Chopper split your wig off,
Now,
knock
this
your
is
top off,
zero
now you
retune speed
Caillou.
with zero
When you front of
humanize.
bottom niggas you don't know don't like you. And when you get
You
some money, they
humanize it a
gon'
little
act
bit,
like
it
you was
actually
by
calms
you.
this
Cause
retune
I'm from the
speed down.
trenches. I came from the trenches. I came from the jungle where that shit gon' get aggressive. I'm from where the fathers don't exist and ain't no lessons. I'm from
Take
where
that
the police
humanize
got the
down.
dealers out here stressing. If you came from nothing, then we callin' it
Humanize
the
back up.
trenches. Eating ramen noodles, then you raised in the trenches.
As you see, using that humanize, man, just takes this to the next level. Even with the zero retune speed, when I turned that humanize up, it started to sound much better, man. So don't be afraid to play with this retune speed, and really don't be afraid to play with the humanize, man. I'm telling you, you get that good balance of both, it'll take your auto tune to the next level. Yes, sir. That Auto Tune EFX Plus is fire. I told y'all, man, it's very easy and simple to get the quality sound that you need. Are you guys using this plugin? If so, let's talk about it in the comments below. Let me know how you're using it. Let me know what you're using it on. If you've never heard of it and you want to try it out, make sure you try it out, man. They have a great demo version that you can use. I believe it's like 14 or 30 days, something like that, that you can use this plugin just to try it out to see if it's something that you would like. Do me a favor, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also check out my website, mixedbygels.com, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.